Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla false collision system alerts at night and the possible causes that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, forward collision or emergency braking alerts may activate during nighttime driving even when no immediate obstacle is present. These alerts can occur on otherwise clear roads and may include visual warnings, audible chimes, or brief system notifications. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, driver assistance configuration, software version, and nighttime driving conditions rather than indicating a guaranteed system fault. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves camera-based perception limits in low light conditions. Tesla collision detection relies heavily on forward-facing cameras to assess distance, object shape, and relative motion. At night, reduced ambient light, headlight glare from oncoming traffic, reflections from road signs, or sharp contrast between illuminated and dark areas can affect how objects are interpreted, leading the system to momentarily assess a potential collision risk and issue an alert. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior calibration, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Software-related behavior is also a documented factor. Collision warning sensitivity and braking thresholds are controlled by vehicle software and may be adjusted between updates. Certain software versions apply more conservative logic in low-visibility environments, increasing alert frequency at night. As a possible contributing factor, temporary camera visibility interference from rain, fog, dirt, or windshield condensation could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Driving environment and road features further influence alerts. Road crests, shadows, overpasses, reflective lane markers, or vehicles parked close to the roadway can create visual patterns that resemble obstacles under nighttime lighting. In these situations, the system may issue a precautionary alert to prioritize safety. Corrective actions described in verified information include keeping cameras clean and unobstructed, ensuring vehicle software is up to date, and recognizing that collision alerts are designed to be cautious in low visibility conditions. If false alerts occur consistently during nighttime driving on normal roads, service inspection may be recommended to review camera calibration and stored diagnostic data. Reviewed information indicates that false collision system alerts at night are not universal and often correlate with lighting conditions, road features, and software behavior. Some vehicles may experience them rarely, while others may notice them more frequently depending on environment and configuration. In conclusion, Tesla false collision system alerts at night are generally linked to low light perception limits, conservative safety logic, and environmental visual factors rather than a universal collision system failure. The issue varies by vehicle and conditions, and resolution depends on accurate system evaluation and ongoing software refinement. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.